Don't miss this chance. Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum is a Black Friday steal. Find out what makes it worth every cent. Hey there, today I'm super excited to talk to you about the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Let me just start by saying, this thing is a game changer. Picture this. The Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum does all the heavy lifting for you with its amazing 58% more powerful suction. Can you believe that? I mean, say goodbye to pesky pet hair, because this beauty is the best robot vacuum for pet hair with its powerful performance. And get this, with its self-emptying feature, you can go a full 60 days without even thinking about emptying the bin. Plus, the Shark Robot Vacuum home mapping? Oh, it's like having your own house cleaning genie. With AI Smart Vacuum voice control, you can just sit back and relax while your floors sparkle. And guess what? You can save 58% on Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum right now. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on this gem. Clean floors and extra time on your hands? Yes, please. And here's a fun thought. If Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum could add a holiday bonus to my wallet, I'd be thrilled. But it's already a fantastic deal. Black Friday deals are here, and Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum is one of the best. Don't wait, grab it while you can. Save 58% today on this amazing product.